So you see me giving out signals, and then you take your entry, and later price goes towards your anticipated direction and hits your take profit, and you think that it is easy. You start asking yourself a question: how does he do it? He makes it look easier. Now, before you skip this video, let me tell you my story, how it all started. Guys, I started trading in 2019 December. Okay, I made my first deposit. That was $1, 2019 December. I don't know, I cannot forget that day. I was really happy. All right, so the broker that I was using back then, actually I'm still using it, okay, that is Templar FX, all right, was actually allowing a minimum deposit of $1, guys. So that was my first deposit. Okay, so I did not know how to trade. I did not know what I was doing. Okay, so if you open your MetaTrader, actually, then you will see the quotes. You can see the quotes. Obviously, they flick. They change colors in seconds. We have red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. So my friend told me that, okay, when you see a blue, you buy. When you see red, you sell. Okay, so that is what I was doing. Buy means the price has to go up, and sell, the price needs to go down. Okay, so this is it. Anytime I open the quotes, I did not know how to analyze. I did not know that forex market you need to analyze. All right, so basically, anytime I see a red, I sell immediately. Anytime I see a blue, I buy immediately. I remember these things changes every second, so I did not know what I was doing, guys. Right, remember, this was $1. This was just my first deposit, and of course, that could not happen, right? So of course I ended up losing that $1. Then the next day I deposited $20. Okay, so this is it. I could make a trade, then stare at my phone, right, see how the candlestick move. I don't know why I'd buy, I don't know why I'd sell. I was just pushing that buy or sell button, but I was not getting anywhere, guys. I kept on losing. We're still in 2019, and then we came to 2020. Remember, when I started this, guys, I said to myself, I'm ready to lose for the next 6 months. Right, I was ready to lose for the next 6 months. That is because I wanted to learn this thing. I did not know where I'm going to get the knowledge from, guys. I did not know. All I knew is that I was okay to lose in the next 6 months. So that was the challenge, because I did not have the funds. Remember, my deposit was $1. I did not have the funds to fund this joint, right? But I knew it works. How did I know it was working? Because I saw other forex traders in YouTube, posting those lavish lifestyles. Then I said, okay, I want that. It has to work for me. All right. So I was ready to lose for the next 6 months. Regardless of what happened, I was just ready to learn, and I did not know where I was going to get the knowledge from. So I kept on watching more YouTube videos, guys. All right. I did not know there was something called mentorship. I did not know that you can pay someone to mentor you or to teach you this trading thing. So this is it. I kept on watching your YouTube videos. Guys. This time, remember, I did not even start with a demo. I kept on watching YouTube video with my live account. I deposit 20, I lose. I deposit 10, I lose. Deposit $50. That was the highest, I believe. Drastically, losing it. But then I was okay with that. All I just wanted to do is learn this craft, learn these skills. Okay, so now, as I kept on doing more research, guys, I came across a certain video, somebody turning $5 to a crazy amount. Then I said, okay, look at my account, guys. I've lost, and now my last capital is $5. And guess what? YouTube just recommended how to grow $5 into something. All right. So I started watching this video, guys. Okay. Then I was wondering, what is this guy doing? I have this $5, so I want to see what this guy does and how he grew that money. So I kept on replaying that video for long. Then I came up with something. I saw that, okay, this guy usually goes to the 30 minutes time frame, then he takes something. All right, actually I did not know there was something. Actually, let me just take you back. I did not know we had something called trading view. It's crazy. I didn't know we have anything called trading view. The only thing I knew is just MetaTrader, guys. And I did not know even how to open a trading account. My friend did open the trading account for me. I did not know, guys. So it is what it is. All right. So now I remember I paused that certain video of that guy. I can't remember. I paused that guy the video. Then now I did see some website there. Then I did screenshot my computer screen. So after I did screenshot that, I had to zoom in and see, okay, which website is this? And that is where I saw something like trading something. Then I went to Google, then hit trading, then it suggested something like trading view. Then now I clicked it. Crazy enough, it was looking the same as the other guy's website. So that is when I knew trading view. Okay, so remember, this is another new website. I don't know how to use this. Okay, so I don't know how to use this. That is when I started just fumbling, clicking anything. You know, I'm still a newbie, guys. I'm still a newbie. So with that, every day I went back to the video. Then I saw somebody, okay, this guy draws something like this. He draws using some lines. I don't know. Oh, those are called trend lines. Basically, okay, I came to realize they're called trend lines later. Okay, so I was saying, okay, this guy draws this, but I did not know why he's drawing this. I did not know where should the trend line start, where should the trend line end. I was just drawing because I saw him. But then that was at the 30 minutes, so I continued using that, right? But of course my trend lines were not perfect, and this time the only pair that I used to trade was USD JPY. All right, by then 2019 2020 USD JPY was so calm, no major movement, guys, no major movement. So that, I believe that's why I survived, guys. You know, I was afraid of GBPs, guys. GBPs were crazy. You know, I don't have the enough capital, right? You can say, all right, GBP can give you, one candlestick can give you up to 20, 30, 50 pips, but on USD JPY during that time, one candlestick will give you 10 pips, which I was okay with that, guys. So I could come, open my chart, go to the 30 minutes in the morning, draw those stupid things that I don't know, or the trend lines, you know. Then now, okay, I remember the guy says we buy low, sell high. So anytime I see the candlesticks have hit the resistance, I did not know they're called resistance. Anytime the candlestick hits the upper line, which is now the resistance, of course, that is when I hit that sell. I did not know what I was doing. Then, okay, when you hit the sell, we have to take our profit at the low, because we are drawing the trend line, those lines, you know, drawing those trends, so that the market moves up down, right? So I just mastered that. So when the market's down, I buy. Whee. Then now when it's up, I sell. Whee. So that is how I used to do. That's how, and guys, it was working. It was working like a month, and so it was working, guys, you know. But just use the JPY, no crazy pair, you know. It was working, guys. So at the same time, so I don't know that was scalping though, because I could sit next to my computer the whole day doing just that stupid thing, you know. And I remember there's a day I made $10, right? Okay, let me see, it was $15, right? The whole day I made $15. But then when I went to my history trying to figure out what I was doing the whole day, I realized, all right, I made $15 in total. But when we check on the losses were crazy, you know. So I say, okay, how can I sit the whole day and then only make $3, guys? $15 plus minus all the losses, it was $3. I don't say, okay, I can't do this anymore. You know, I really need to know this thing. So I went back to the video. Remember the $5 thing, right? I went back to the video. Now then, what did I miss? Then okay, this guy keeps on talking about something called baby pips. What is baby pips? I went to babypips.com. Yo, every evening I was reading shit. I was really reading babypips.com. If you're a newbie, you can check that. I'm also telling you that babypips.com, right? So I could read every evening, you know, the patterns, what from the introduction, what is forex, what is margin, what is nonsense, you know. I wanted to learn this, you know. So this is the first time I'm getting a website where I can get at least knowledge. So at the babypips.com, I came across, we had rectangle, we have rectangle patterns, such thing. We had inverse head and shoulder, we had you name them, right? So my interest was on this rectangle thing. Anytime the price consolidates around the rectangle, I remember Baby Pip said when the market consolidates around that rectangular zone, if it breaks, you take your position. So I was practicing that, guys. I went to the live market. remember I did not start with a demo, guys. I went back to the live market, so looking for those, so I could just open the market. Oh, I've seen this consolidating. Take my rectangle to identify that. After I do identify that, I wait for a break. If it breaks, I hit, guys. That went on for some time, maybe 1 month, 2 months, guys. I was winning. Yeah. So I was okay. I'm not a guru. Don't play with me. I'm a guru. Days later, guys, everything changed. Losses. What's happening? Guys, I went back to that $5 video once again. What did I miss? So I was trying to be keen every time this guy was speaking, all right, because I wanted to pick on some points, guys. I didn't have money for mentorship line. Like I said before, I didn't know that we had something like you can pay somebody to teach you this thing. And even if I knew that somebody could teach me, guys, I didn't have the funds. Remember, my first deposit was $1. So So as time goes by, YouTube recommended me a certain video. We have this, guys. Every day I was only watching YouTube videos on the forex topic, all right? So YouTube had to recommend most forex traders video, most forex trader videos. So I remember I came across a certain YouTube channel once again. Okay, I saw this guy draw something like, the market goes up, and when the market comes down like that, he buys. The market goes up, when the market comes down, he buys. Okay, that was interesting. So I did not know what he was doing, guys. So this is it. I just had to master that. I just had to cram that around, so I could go back to the live market, then look out for those patterns. So I did not know what I was doing, basically. Okay, when the market goes, okay, now it's going down. Then when the market goes up, oh, there's this zone, there's some sort of a resistance. Okay, and now the moment I see the market start dropping with one candlestick, that is when I said, guys, that is the day I started trading the GBPs. So these were my pair: GBP USD, GBP yen, and the GBP Swiss franc, guys. So they were three, right? I remember I had another deposit, $30, guys. Crazy. Whoa, 0.01. I was taking 0.01 on GBP CHF, 0.01 GBP yen, and 0.01 on GBP USD. So they were moving in the same direction, guys. So anytime I see that, guys, I was making 100 pips on each. I was like, yo, stop playing with me. I've got it. So I've mastered the craft, but I don't know what I'm doing. I just remember I had that cram. When the price does this. So I did not know what I was doing. That went on for some time, and guess what? Started losing. Man. I started losing. So that was 2021, I believe. If not, then late 2020. I believe, late 2020. That's what's up. Not 2021. That was late 2020. So now that went on for a while. So then I started looking for more knowledge on this forex thing. Then I came across once again a certain video. Okay, this guy is using Fibonacci. Oh, we have Fibonacci, guys. Also, so we have to copy this setting. I copied the Fibonacci setting. So when you check the fib from this zone to the highs, when you retrace, I don't know, it's called a retrace. When it's coming back, then you see some rejection. Boom, buy or sell. That went on for some time, guys. It played out. I was winning. Then that's the strategy. And guess what? After some time, the market changed. Started going back to my losses. So I was like, okay, what's happening, yo? It's crazy, man. It was crazy. So I went back to baby pips once again. What did I miss? Then it turned out everything was in place. I've read baby pips from the introduction to the last. So what was remaining is for me to identify my strategy, guys. All right. So I could remember I started now trading on the higher time frame, 4 hours. That is where I was taking my position, because I was thinking, okay, this lower time frame, I'm somehow losing. So I started sticking to the H4. That's where I take my buy or sell position. Wins. But then, everything changes. Okay, what's happening? Guys, this was crazy. I was losing. Have you ever lost until you ask Google, how can you stop losing money forex? I remember I went on Google and Google that, how to stop losing money in forex, and guess what, Google will just give you results. So but the only results I was getting were people's videos, how to trade forex, how to get a sniper entry, such things. So that was what was happening, guys. Okay, so I realized that I'm not a scalper or not a day trader, but the swings were really great. So but I did not know how to perfect this skill. So day by day I went on doing this, doing more research, until I remember at least I was making some profits, and then back in 2021, I believe so, I created my first YouTube video. My first YouTube channel, guys. That went on so well, and I was up. Let me surprise you. My first hand effects YouTube channel was up 8,000 subscribers. Funny enough, I got hacked. So just see the journey. I got hacked. I'm a music producer, and I remember when I was downloading a certain plugin, it came with malware. So with that, guys, the malware was installed in my computer, and one of these nights, guys, I woke up and found that I don't have a YouTube channel. Guys, that is how I lost that channel. So that really drained me, gang. It really drained me. So it took me like an year to start this current channel that we are now working on. Currently, that is this. That was early February. That's when I did start the second channel, guys. But the first channel it had almost 9,000 subscribers, guys. So I had to start from scratch. I lost my YouTube, my YouTube channel. I lost the Telegram channel. I lost my Facebook channel. That's how it is. So because of hacks. So with that, what did I learn, guys? All right. So people hacking. Okay. So during my forex period, guys, anytime I make a position, when the trades are playing out, like I said, I'm a swing trader now. When the trades are playing out, I started learning about ethical hacking. So at that time, because I started now avoiding to watching the screen every day, all the time, So when the trades were playing out, I started learning more about ethical hacking. I could, hack, I could, ethically. No. That went on for a while until now I came to realize, so these are the mistakes, guys. So I learned how these people do hack online. All right. So from that, I now found a way on how to avoid being on that situation once again. All right. So that's what's up. So let's continue. So that went on for a while, and I remember 2022, I believe so. That which is last year, guys. Right? Remember, I'm not profitable, guys. So, but the way I was trading, guys, I was seeing results. I'm seeing results. So I was like, okay, at least I'm seeing something. I'm developing my skills. So the problem is probably the capital. I did not have the right capital, guys. All I could say, these guys are having big numbers. So that really drained me. I did not have capital. So when you go back to YouTube, all these gurus talk about how to grow account, how to flip account, guys. Don't fall for that. When you see somebody telling how to flip account, not how to grow, there's that two one. There's difference between flipping and growing. Growing, you grow slowly by slowly. But flipping, this guy go in, they risk the whole margin, they risk the whole capital to grow, or that is to flip, to double the account. So I could watch, these guys are flipping account. So that's the mistake. So I could get my $100, boom, get there, try that, boom, blow, whoa. That went for a while, and then I said, okay, I need to make capital, but then how will I get the capital? So I started joining these Telegram groups. I joined the Telegram groups. I remember the last time I did join the Telegram group, I had my last 100 was early 20, no, that was late 2022. I believe late 2022. This guy gave out a signal in GBP USD. That GBP JPY, guys. I will not forget that. I went all in. I won't say the guy name. It's a big figure though. I went all in. He's a trusted guy. So this guy, he's been successful in forex market. So if he calls out the trade, will turn out blue, guys. So I went all in, guys. 10 minutes later, I'm really bleeding. So I just had to close that because I did not have the next money or any money to deposit, guys. So I just had to close the losses, and I was down back to $28. Remember, you just deposited $100, and right now you're back $28, guys. Crazy. So what do I have to do? Maybe try to develop that $28 step by step, and developing that is going to be crazy because you'll be winning, losing. So, and with $28, guys, the risk is crazy, guys. You can't risk even at 1%. You tell me, if you're risking 1% on $28, how many lot size should that be? Maybe 0.00001, So that's it, guys. And 2023, early 2023, now when I was starting this YouTube channel, right, everything was going on great. I started getting back on my feet, going on nicely. But then around April, I believe so, I had a 3 months losing streak, guys. 3 months, guys. If you watch my previous video, those I don't know, around April, May, you might try to find those. I have a video when I was talking about losing streak, guys. I had the biggest losing streak, guys. 3 months losing. 3 months losing. Oh, I did not know what was happening, guys. So I went back, then I started looking at the market. I could step back, open the trading view, just look at the chart. Not doing anything, just looking at the chart, guys. Then I started looking, looking at the way market really moves, the pattern that the market was giving me. Okay, so I started identifying some things. I'm identifying, all right, so when this is happening, this happens, so this happens. Okay, so with that, now I started applying that. Now that is fast forward. I did not back test, guys. I did not back test. I did not pay for trading view. So how will I back test? So I was just seeing, all right, this pattern, the market makes this pattern, guys. Then there's also a video that I came and the belief I made was called even a newbie can make something like that. Yeah, even a newbie can make money in forex, something like that. You can check that video. I have that video, guys. That is when I realized how the market really moves. Now that is when everything started getting in, guys. This 2023, remember, now it's almost, now this is the 5th year, guys. This is the 5th year I've been trading, but now that is when things are really being clear on me. So you might just be seeing me analyzing the market, and you think, oh, this guy is really analyzing the market easily. He's seeing things that I was not seeing. It's 5 years, guys. 5 years just looking at the market. It's not easy, all right? It's not easy. So whenever you see me analyzing the market and you see, oh, this guy is good, how does he make the analysis so simple, man? He's showing us wins, he's showing us before and after, guys. It took some time to be here, all right? So let's continue, guys. So I went on with the same habit, the same strategy, the same skills, the same mindset, okay? So that is now this 2023, early 2023. So that is when I became also consistent on this YouTube channel, guys, because I wanted to give the same knowledge that I've gathered for the past 5 years. I wanted to make them so easier for you guys, and that's why I started this YouTube channel. Remember, I started my journey for free, guys. I did not pay for any mentorship, and you can see how the struggle was real, guys. So I started this YouTube. That is now early 2023, because now I started seeing some great changes. Okay, so when that happened, guys, I remember some months later I came across, of course I knew about pro firms, all right, but then I did not want to approach pro firms because I was still hesitant. I did not trust my strategy that well, all right. But then mid 2023, the pro firm wave really came in so strong. Then I said, okay, let me just try, and that is when I started my first pro firm challenge, which was from my forex fund, right? So I took the challenge, guys, and guess what? I passed. It's my first time, guys. Remember, people have been saying, oh, I've tried multiple pro firm challenges, I've been failing. This is the 7th time I've been failing, guys. But remember, this is the first time I'm approaching this pro firm industry, and then guess what? I passed. So I say, okay, everything is looking great, guys. Everything is looking great. So let's continue. So during the first withdrawal period, guys, you just have to make your profit. But then during that period, guys, we had the bad news, guys. My forex funds got shut, guys. I'd made the profit, so I'd already waited for the 30 days that we were supposed to wait before you make your first withdrawal. But then it's crazy how this the platform that I just registered on, guys. There are a lot of platforms, but why is it that the only one that I've signed up with is getting shut, guys? And it's getting shut. I'm in at the moment where I'm only waiting for the payout, guys. That was annoying. All right. Anyway, I lost hopes in platforms. Of course, I lost hopes in platforms. So I just said, okay, let me just concentrate on my account. And that is when I just continued trading my account. But then during this period that I'm trading my account, guys, I still go back. One thing that I've learned about forex market, guys, we learn every day. I won't tell you that it took me 5 years to learn forex market. No, it's been 5 years and I'm still learning this forex market, guys. All right, that is it. It's been 5 years, but I'm still learning this forex market, guys. Okay, I come to the market every day, make mistake. Then now, guess what? Go back, take a look at the market, take a look at the screen. So what happened? How did this manipulation happen? All right. So there's just certain pattern that I just came to realize. When this happens, then avoid the market. When this happens, then take a shot. That is what I came to realize. All right. So now every day I'm practicing that. I'm practicing that. So what do I mean that I'm practicing, guys? I'm going in real with real money, live account. I'm practicing the live account, not a demo. Okay. So every day I come to the market, look for the same pattern that I've been looking for in the previous days. If I see one, execute. Okay. And then doing that every day, guys, I came in and realized that okay, my eyes are actually opening. Right, my eyes are really opening when it comes to the forex market. I look at the market, then there are certain patterns that I just have to look. There are certain rules of mine that I just have to follow. Okay, because during my 5 years journey, guys, remember, I came to realize that the reason why I was losing was this: the news. That is it, news. Because I came to realize that my strategy was good. The strategy was great that I developed from scratch, guys. The strategy was great, but now when I was in the market, then the news came in. I had to lose, guys. I had bad history news. There's no day I was in the market the news just favored me. It's crazy. So for me to avoid these losses, unnecessary losses, guys, I just had to make sure, okay, let me try this. Avoid trading anytime there's news. Okay, but then we have news like every day. So that means I won't trade. Then I won't trade. So then I came to realize that pairs that have the dollar, guys, that is it. Dollar releases news like every day. So I started avoiding dollars. That's why I don't trade gold. I avoid anything that has dollar. Right? That is trading against the dollar. That is what I'm talking about. If we have a USD XXX, that's okay. But if you have XXS USD, guys, I do avoid because dollar is crazy, guys. The news, man. All right. So with that, I also came to a conclusion that how about I trade on Monday, Tuesday. You guys have been seeing that most forex gurus are saying that okay, it's not okay to trade on Monday and Friday. I don't care about that. What doesn't work for them probably works for me. So I realized that, all right, let me start this trading pattern. I trade on Monday, swing my position until Tuesday, or rather Monday, hold my position and up to Wednesday, because Thursday, Friday, crazy news, man, news. So I could make my entry on Monday. Probably if the trade plays out, I close the market on Tuesday. If I get another position on Tuesday, that evening I make the entry, swing it maybe until tomorrow, Wednesday, close it, then no position until the next week, that is next Monday. So that worked well, guys. That worked well, right? But with the time, guys, I came to realize, okay, those were just 100 pips. So I started to go for long swings, and when having those long swings, the news will start. Actually, the news will just get you during that period. The news will just get you. Okay. So I started identify one mistake where stop losses should be placed. Okay, so to be on the safer side, I did understand also. This is where the manipulation happened. This is where the stops happen. So how about I play safe, right? Look for the last high or the last low. That's where I make it. All right, that's where I have my stop loss. So that means if the market comes and reverses on me and then it closes below or above that zone, then now I'm okay with that. I'm okay with the loss because the market is reversing, right? Compared to the previous one, I could make my entry, the market takes me out, then goes to my direction, which was annoying. So those are the things that I was trying to make sure that I cement those mistakes, cement the mistake. Don't want to see the mistake again, don't want to repeat them. All right, so that's what happened. So every day come to the market, I look at the market. All right, I've just identified this and this. Okay, and that's how the journey has been great, guys. It's 2023. So you might think that I'm not profitable, guys, all right, but that's not the case. That's not the case. Do not be fooled, guys. Do not be fooled. It's been a journey, and I appreciate, guys. So this is it. My advice is trust the process. Do not rush. Don't think that I'm analyzing the market easily and you wish to analyze the market like me. There's no problem, guys. You just have to wait on your turn, guys. Wait on your turn. I know one day it will pay off, guys. It will pay off. Currently, of course, we have the problem of capital, but you have more capital. You have more bargaining power when you have the knowledge, right? So this is it. You get the right capital, guys. You have the knowledge. How about that? That's good, right? So don't give up, guys. Don't give up, right? That's what I'll say. Continue. And I'm also continuing my journey. There's no day I'm going to quit, guys. It's been 5 years plus and I'm still going in. There's no day I'm planning on quitting this. I won, guys. I won. Then the 5 years will be for nothing. All those stressful will be for nothing, right? So that's the advice. Don't rush the process, guys. Accept. Anytime you take a loss, feel happy, right? We don't lose, we learn. Take a loss, go back to the market, try to figure out why you lost. Trust me, it's going to be great. It's going to be the best, you know? Because sometimes you find, I might be analyzing the market, then it's whoa, how did you do that? You know, I'm also surprising myself, like, how did you find that out, guys? Remember, I'm not talking about 20 pips, 50 pips, guys. That's not me. You all know me. You know, I can say I'm a dangerous forex trader. I don't go in for 20, guys. I don't go in for 50. I don't go in for 100, guys. I milk the market, and you've seen my current video, guys. If you want to see the growth, guys, try watching the videos from the old list, and you can see this. I believe you'll realize there's that change, guys. There's that change. You'll feel the strategy. There's that change. But even though you'll feel the change, yes, during my previous years I was still winning, but now I can feel the change, basically, right? And I believe when you trust the process, you have to know the inner you, guys. You have to know how it works, and with that, if you accept who you are, guys, guess what? Everything will be great. So, guys, I believe that's what's up, guys. So, adios, amigos.